Hi everyone, this is Keely with Toyota of Keene, and this is the 2020 Toyota Corolla L. The 2020 Toyota Corolla L delivers on some awesome performance specs, like 139 horsepower, 1.8 liter four-cylinder engine, a continuously variable transmission with intelligence and shift mode, and you get up to 38 miles per gallon. Here on the exterior, we have full LED headlights with daytime running lights. We have a black front grille with sport mesh insert. We have 15-inch styled steel wheels. We have up to 88 cubic feet of passenger space and up to 13 cubic feet of cargo space. Here on the interior, we have a 7-inch touchscreen. We have Bluetooth wireless technology, Siri Eyes-free, Apple CarPlay, and Amazon Alexa compatibility. It also comes with Entune 3.0, which gives you a whole suite of apps. We also have the integrated backup camera with a projected path, and we are Scout GPS Link compatible. The 2020 Toyota Corolla L comes with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which gives you some great safety tech, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full range dynamic radar, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and you get the automatic high beams, among many other features. So if you're thinking about the 2020 Corolla, the L might have everything you need. So come on down for a test drive, 591 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at toyotakeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping.